question is, a tank of an air compressor is closed on its ends by curved sections. The inner diameter of the cylinder is 600 mm. Inner diameter is 600 mm. The internal pressure is 3.5 MPa. Internal pressure is 3.5 MPa. If the material of the tank has an yield point that is yield stress is 250 MPa and the factor of safety is given as 3.5. What should be its wall thickness? We have to find out the wall thickness T. So it is a cylinder. We know the hoop stress sigma T. I can represent P into gamma by T. This is for cylinders. Sigma T is the hoop stress. It is having a stress of yield point is 250 MPa. With the factor of safety 3.5, this is going to be 250 by 3.5. That is equal to P is 3.5 into gamma is, it's not gamma, it is radius. Radius is 600 by 2, that is 300. We can convert into meters, 0.3 meters by thickness. This is what we have to find out. T is equal to 0.0147 meters, that is equal to 14.7 millimeters. 14.7 millimeters is option B is correct. A rectangular bar of height 10 centimeters, h is 10 centimeters is given, and thickness T is equal to 1 centimeter is given, subject to a torsion value of 1000 Newton centimeters. Torsion T is 1000 Newton centimeter is given. The maximum shear stress induced is equal to, we have to find out the maximum shear stress induced in this rectangular bar. We know that maximum shear stress is equal to 3T by HT square. The rectangular bar subject to a torsion having H by T is greater than or equal to 10, then this equation is going to be valid. So by substituting the values over here in this equation, 3 into 1000 by H is 10 into 1 square is equal to 300 Newton centimeter. So option C is correct. A horizontal bench with square cross section is simply supported with sides of a square. Horizontal and vertical end carry a distribution load that produces maximum bending stress sigma in the beam. When the beam is placed with one of the diagonals horizontal, the maximum bending stress will be, so the bending stress we can denominate it with m by z, where for a square beam with sides horizontal and vertical, for a square beam with sides horizontal and vertical, z is going to be a cube by 6. So for the same section with the diagonal horizontal, one of the diagonal horizontal, same section with diagonal horizontal, the z is equal to a cube root 2 by 6. So the ratio will be is equal to a cube by 6 by a cube by 6 root 2 1 by root 2 sigma. So option A is correct. Section, the effective depth of single reinforced rectangular beam is 30 centimeters. The effective depth is given as 30 centimeters. The section is over reinforced and the neutral axis is 12 centimeters. From the top it is at 12 centimeters. If the maximum stress attained by concrete is 50 kg per centimeter square, so maximum stress attained by the concrete is 50 kg per centimeter square. So we have to find out the maximum stress developed in the steel stress. We have to find out stress at steel, sigma st is equal to this. We know from the mathematics, 18 centimeters. We have to find out the stress at steel. Therefore modular ratio was given as 18 into 50 into 18 by 12, that is equal to 1350 kg per centimeter square. So option C is correct. Question is, a rectangular steel section of width B and depth h has been stressed up to a yield point sigma y up to a depth of h by 4 from the bottom, both the top and bottom faces, under the action of moment m. We have to find out the magnitude of the moment m. Magnitude of the moment m we have to find out. So m is equal to bh by 4 3h by 8 into sigma y plus half bh by 4 into 2/3 h by 4 into sigma y into 2, that is equal to, if we take the bh square by 32 into sigma y as common, 3 plus 2/3 into 2, that is equal to 11 by 48 bh square by sigma y. So option C is correct. It says that for a flow of 5.3 tons per day and a detention time of 2 hours is given. The surface area of a rectangular sedimentation tank to remove all particles having settling velocity of 0.33 millimeter per second. So we have to find out the surface area. So surface area we can represent it as AS. We know that the discharge is equal to AV. V is velocity. So Q is discharge. We have to find out the area. Area A is equal to Q by V. That implies Q is 5.7, million is 10 to the power of 6, liters is 10 to the power of minus 3, Q per day is 24. We will convert into seconds, 3600 seconds into 0.33 into 10 to the power of minus 3, that is equal to 199.9, almost equal to 200 square meter. So surface area of the rectangular sedimentation tank that is required is 200 square meter. That is answer C is correct.